Guys, this is Scarlett 2 liter electric kettle which I purchased from Miso. You will see the link of Miso in the description so that you can download the Miso app from there. So the features are here. You will see these are the features. Scarlett electric heat kettle, detachable jack kettle with power base, overheat and boil dry safety cutout, water level indicator, removable liter, auto switch off when water boils, hinged and locking lid, and these are the voltage, and 2 liters 1500 watt. This is the size. So guys, this is the kettle and this is the base. So you just need to, and this is the lid. To open, you just need to press this and then just pull out. See, there is a switch. This is the switch. This is 0 and 1. 0 is off and 1 is on. That means it is on and it is off. And you will also see here power indicator. You will see whether the power it is getting power on or not. Now let's boil some water. So friends, at first you have to fix this kettle. You will see below is some copper wire, something like this it is looking. You will also see the kettle name and also capacity, and it is rated power 1500 watt. So you have to put the kettle on the base. It is movable also. Let's pour some water in the kettle. And this is the plug. Plug is more than half meter long. Now just plug in and then power on it. And now you have to power on here, and then you will see it is getting power. It is glowing, and there is also one instruction here. Please do not touch. Be careful of hot body. That means when it is boiling water, the body becomes hot. So don't touch it. Inside the box we also get this coupon. So this is Vista Lifestyle cashback up to 500. Give a good review with 5-star ratings on product and win up to 500 cashback. Send your review with rating screenshot on this number and get instant cashback. So it is boiling water. You will see the sound. When water boils, the sound come out. You have to keep out these things electric kettle from the children, from the reach of children. When boiling water, keep out your children at a distance. This becomes hot. See, one gun sound is coming out from the kettle. You will also see some holes there, so that if anything falls in your water that doesn't come out. See, water is boiling and gun sound is coming out. Now let's check by opening the lid. See, bubbles are coming out. Sound is increasing gradually. You will also see steams coming out from these holes. One thing I did not found here, it is written here water level indicator. You will see here water level indicator, but I have not seen any water level indicator in the kettle. But the rest things are okay. We also check whether it is auto power off or not after the boiling water. See, almost 1 liter water inside the kettle. See, water is boiling. Now we check whether it is auto power off or not. This is on and this is off. 0 is off and 1 is on. Once water boils, then it is auto off. See, steams are coming out. See, it is auto off automatically. See, it is auto off. Now let's put the hot water into the flux. You see, just hold it. So guys, overall it is a very good product. You can go for it. So friends, how would you like this video? Just like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.